Alright, so you're probably here because you want to do another pointless mod, and you're probably here because you want to see the install for it. First, probably what you're going to need is some just regular tools, flathead, screwdriver, and whatever. If you own a car, you should at least have something by now. So if you're wondering where to buy one, I got mine on Facebook Market. Yeah, it was on the Facebook Market. It was some guy from overseas, I forgot where. Got it for like 240 and then he shipped it for 40, so 280. So you either got to go on eBay, search on there, or search one of those auctions on Yahoo, or you could buy it brand new from, I believe ICB Matt sells it. Alright guys, so real quick, just to show you guys where to find this if you want a brand new one. Go over to chassis, you want to pick DC5 right here. Go right here to Integra DC5 Type R. Scroll down till you see the push start. Alright, so it's right here. 319. Click on that, and this is what, well, his pictures aren't really working, but anyways, you see the push start. It brings everything you pretty much need. It says Honda Access push start button kit, so you want to add that to cart. Actually, I already did earlier, but I'll show you guys you know what it will cost. So it's about $350 shipped, so I paid $280 used. If you want it brand new, you're gonna have to pay an extra what is that, an extra, so $280, $70 to get it brand new. So yeah, that's an option right there. And again guys, it's one of those pointless mods where you don't really need it, but if you're trying to get the whole Type R interior like I did, and I'm not saying I have everything, but I have the seats, which I have those. I got this one off of EP3. I got the e-brake, center console. That's just a regular shift knob, and then there it is, the push start. When you buy it, you're gonna receive something like this. I'm gonna show you everything that's supposed to be on there when you buy it. So you're gonna have those 3 relays, gonna have a bracket like that. So you're gonna have this thing there, whatever that is, a ground spot right here, right on this harness. You guys can see that. I believe it's another ground right there, so 2 grounds. Moving down the harness, got a plug right there, probably to the ignition or something, and then you have another one here. You're gonna have that, and then your push button. All right, to remove this panel right here, we're gonna do it live. I got me a flathead, stick this thing in here, pry it out, go underneath on the side. I'm sure there's probably a better way to, nope, there isn't a better way. I got the best way. Pull this out, unplug whatever's back here. See if I can do this. All right, so once you're done, so you should have 3 just hanging there. So when you receive everything, it should be this harness and this push start right here. Yours is gonna look like this, right? This is your factory one. Yes, I have an extra one. I don't know why. Yeah, these things are pretty easy to take out. Push from behind. You're gonna have a top and a bottom here and here. Push out. They all pop out like that. You're gonna have to notch this out right here. See if I can get better lighting. I pretty much just cut it with whatever, a blade, use a Dremel. So you have an option. You could put it here, you know, these 2 spots, or you could do these 2 spots. On the DC5 Type R is in this spot right here. So I would suggest this spot, but it's up to you guys. Push that in. Come on, there it is. Snapped in, really easy. Now we're gonna get underneath. So I'm gonna show you guys under there, and I'm losing daylight, so I'm gonna try and do this real quick. Oh man, you guys want to see my headlamp? I think it's badass. So you're gonna want to take this panel off. It's just a spot here, spot here. All right, so this bottom cover needs to come out. All right, so you're gonna have a screw here, here, and here. And mine's pretty easy to take out because I take this out about a million times already. I popped the top off. You might have to let this go down like that. There it is. I never put the screws back on there, so if you guys don't want to, you don't have to. I never did. Ever since I took them out, I just left them off. All right, so now you're gonna have this spot right here. That's gonna be, it's gonna be a brown plug. You're pretty much gonna undo that, which I already did ahead of time just to show you guys. So you grab your harness. You're gonna have this female end right here, has like foam around it, whatever. I'm gonna plug that into that one. So this one's gonna plug into that. Kind of like an extension or something. I don't know. All right, send. This is gonna be your new one that you're gonna use, and you're gonna plug that into that spot now. I'm trying to do this with one hand. All right, so there you are. Push that in. Now you want to route this. You want to try and route this again back through here. Find a spot for your relay thing. Mount that, and then find a spot to do your grounds. You're gonna have one, and then you're gonna have two. One here and one there. All right, so for a grounding spot, I have this one that I used to have. Yeah, grounding spot right there I made. I just tapped into this metal bar. You guys can tap over there or just find another spot that you can ground to. Even a bolt. There's one here. You guys can back that one out. Use whatever you see. So, all right, so now I'm grounded. I have my two grounds for the push start, and then that other ground that I already had there. So should look something like that. 1, 2, 3. You should have your relays right here. There should be a spot right up there where it's leading out to where your wires are over here. So what you want to do, here's the plug you're going to need for the push start. Send that over that way, right through here. So if you push it in through there, it should come out through here where all your other ones are at. And then for your relays, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to push them out to where this is, and there's a lot of room behind it. All right, so you're done underneath. Should look something like that. Throw your cover back on, whatever. All right, so you got your 3 plugs. Then you got your new green one. Your new green one is gonna plug into your push start. The white one should plug into your bottom mirror one right here. So this one right here. The other green one should plug into your roof thing. All right, so you're done. Make sure that stays in place. Should be able to push this back in the way it was. All done. Let's go ahead and check and see if this works. This is my first time using it. I just had it for like just a button for like the past 2 months. Yeah, that's the finishing look right there. That's how it should look. Everything's in. These lights ain't doing crap. These LEDs, let me tell you, they ain't doing nothing. Terrible. Grab my keys. So I believe you still got to put the key in. So put the key in. Turn that shit on. Oh, clutch in. All right, so clutch in, key is in. All right, so here we go. Yeah, nice, it works. Can we shut it off? Can we shut it off with this? No, we can't. It doesn't say stop. Can we? If you guys know the answer to that, let me know. I don't think you can though. So let's shut it off. Shut the car off. Turn that shit on. All right, we're all good there. Frickin' clutch in. Yeah, guys, it's nice. It's pretty cool actually to have this bind. I ain't gonna lie. That's pretty cool. This S2000 cluster looks really good at night. I ain't gonna lie. It looks nice, guys. I love it. All right, I gotta stop. My neighbors are gonna hate me now. But yeah, push start is in. Pretty cool. I just gotta put my covers back on and stuff. Hopefully this was helpful to somebody. Again, make sure you got your 2 grounds. That green plug, the long one, goes over to your push start. The brown one goes to the ignition thing. It's the brown plug. It's like a jumper harness or whatever. I don't know. But anyways, yeah, everything is looking really good. The car's been driving really good lately. I haven't had any more of that starting issue when my car didn't want to start for like random reasons. I think it had something to do with a ground. I added an extra ground. I also removed the Viper alarm. I removed that all from underneath here and just took it all out. So I'm probably gonna get a different alarm, see if I install it myself or something. They seem pretty easy. But yeah, that was actually, that Viper alarm was draining my battery. So my suggestion is to look on Facebook Market, look for one there, or just search on eBay. You might be able to find one on there. I'm gonna turn it on one more time just for you guys. So key in. Oh my God, that cluster is beautiful. Push start. So yeah, that's it. Like if you want, comment if you want, subscribe if you want. I'll see you guys on the next one, all right?